Alright, hello everyone, welcome to your last video for the standard part of the train build. If you choose to build the carriage later, well, there's another video for you. But today we'll be constraining the train to the track. So first, open up constraints, go to the first type and go to mate. You're going to mate the bottom of the train. Wait, 1 second. Let's first make sure that the train is not grounded because part of the track is. If both are grounded, nothing happens and you get a lot of error messages. Alright, so remember, first type, first solution. Alright, we're going to click on the bottom of the train. 1 sec. The bottom of the train, there you go. If you ever make a mistake, you always just go back and click on your choice to the bottom of the track. And we're going to offset that, or sorry, top of the track. We're going to offset that by a value of positive 0.4. And that should be good. All right, good. I'm going to hit apply. You can check it. It should look like it's about on the track. That's good. All right, and let's see, second. Oh, dear. Okay, my mouse is acting up today, but basically what I'm just trying to do is click on any of the tracks, doesn't matter which one, and I want to make sure that it's still grounded if it's not. All right, now next I'm going to use another mate constraint, and I'm going to mate the side of this train to the side of the pivot. Good. And I'm going to offset that by a value of 12. Now you may say, wait a minute, that's not on the track. You're right, but we'll fix that in a minute. So now, still on the first type, we're going to go to the flush or second solution type, and we're going to click on the back of the train to the corresponding back of the pivot. And we're going to set that at a value of 2.5, and if 2.5 makes it look even worse, just change it to a negative 2.5 and it should look great. Hit apply, and of course if you go for negative 2.5 and it looks bad, you can just make it 2.5 and it'll look great. Good. So now we'll close out of that. Okay, now you need to click on one piece of track that is not grounded. It's important that it is not grounded. And you need to turn off the visibility. Now you're going to make a constraint. You're going to go to angle. You're going to go to this first angle type. And you're going to click on the back of the track, or I guess the side of the track, to the same corresponding side of the pivot. Hit apply. Go ahead and close that. That's fine. And you should be able to turn the visibility back on. Good. And now, let's see. Go over into manage and then click on f of x or function or parameters. And first you need to make sure that whatever your fourth angle is, your angle 4, in this case it's D29. On you, it's going to be the fourth one from the top that has a DEG. And you need to make sure that it is named crank, C-R-A-N-K. And then hit enter so that it saves. Crank. So whatever your fourth DEG is. Then go all the way to the bottom. It should be your most recent DEG. Go over to the equation and type in crank space or just slash 12 space UL. You have to be sure that slash is there, otherwise it doesn't work. And you're going to hit done. And that basically said is crank divided by 12, 360 divided by 12, space UL, blah, blah, blah. And basically your train should now be able to go around the track. Now, mine has a few problems. That's okay. Yours should not. But mine has some weird conflicting programming because I was building it earlier in the year and now I'm rebuilding it to show you for these videos. But as long as you've been following all of our videos step by step, you should not be having these real-time problems. If they do, or if you do, please just start back over from the video where I showed you how to constrain the wheels together on the train. One took like 2 minutes. It was a pretty short video. Where you created angle 1, 2, 3, and 4. And once you are in that video, be sure to name angle 4, or D4, crank in that video instead. I guess it was D29 for us, but be sure you name it crank instead, and if you do that, that'll work fine. And you should be golden. Congratulations, you have completed the train going around the track.